Well, I'm kind of off to a rough start after getting back from my trip. I'm just like super backed up and super overwhelmed, packing up orders and trying to get ready for this move, and it's busy season. I really wanted to go out farther today, but honestly, I just didn't have the time nor energy. So today, I'm just gonna go to some local spots, hopefully find some good stuff. My shelves are looking a bit thin. So it looks like a lot has changed here. It also looks like it's holiday open house. The music is kind of loud in a couple places. It looks pretty busy. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. $15. I looked at these last time I was here. And of course, I can't help but notice this bag of elf heads. Those are fun. I had a bunch of those, and they were kind of obnoxious to sell individually like that. So for $63, I'm gonna leave those behind. Just making sure I'm not missing anything in this little nook. All right, what are these guys? Little bottle covers, those are kind of funny. And then I can't help but notice this angel, little tree topper. $14. Leaves a little room, but not as much as I'd like. Plus, I get so nervous I'm gonna damage these in my office. They're a little fragile and flimsy. Here's one of the Napco-ware spaghetti bone china bells. It's only $2. Making sure it's not missing any of its petals. A lot of the times these are chipped. Some more is like 80s Taiwan. I've had it a bunch of times. It's a really good deal and I could easily make some money on it. I'm just kind of sick of seeing them, honestly. Don't hate me for it. I cannot believe this snowman planter is still here. For $10, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up this time. I can't remember why I left it. I think I was just being a cheapskate. I don't see any hairlines or anything. It's got a little nick right there, but that's not anything much. And then what about this? This is battery op. I don't really mess with battery op. $20. Here's another snowman. It's a little snowman squeak toy. That is too cute. I don't see any markings on it. Gosh, it is really busy in here. I've been spoiled having this place all to myself when I come. I'm gonna grab this too. Oh, we got a glasses holder here. $10. Is there a discount? Still a good price. I've had that one a few times though, and I think the last one sold for $17. So after fees for $10, I think I'm gonna leave that one. Put its glasses back on them there. So when I saw they were having a holiday open house, I got excited because I thought this set would be on sale, but it's only 10%, which doesn't make much of a difference. I really hope this comes out because it is really rocking in here. What about this little penguin planter? That's kind of fun. Gift Co. It's probably 70s. And then it's 20% on top of that, so it's only $8. I think I'm gonna grab that. And then the little Inarco Angels, they've got some damage though, unfortunately, even though the price is right. What about this mug? This looks newer. Nope, it's not as new as I thought it was. $10, $8. I'm not completely sold on that one. Ooh, what about this one? It's missing his staff. 25, so 20. That's gonna get left behind. I'm passing. I'm sorry. I'm trying to focus. It's just there's a lot happening in here. They were super nice and turned the music down a little bit. I really like these candle holders. I think I'm gonna pass. I'm not sure how well those sell. I don't really do that well with milk glass. Gosh, there's just so much cute stuff. And it looks like all these booths, like I said when I came in, everything's kind of moved around. So I was looking at something and I don't remember what it was, honestly. You know, I'm kind of second guessing this penguin planner. It just feels a little flimsy. The plastic material is making me a little nervous think I'm gonna put that back actually. It is so Christmassy in here. It's like well done Christmas too. It's making me kind of excited that it's December. Oh, look at this plate. Is this left in? $12. It is left in. That is pretty adorable. I wish it was like a snack set though. Well, I see something in a case I'm really interested in. Those little rubber angels. It looks like they're only $3 each. Let's see what else is in this case before I get the key. You know, I always try to avoid cases, but for $3, I can't pass those things up. Oh, another Santa, $16. That's not bad at all. I could easily make money on that. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the key and pick up those two little angel ornaments. So I figured out why everybody's moving around. It's because they're moving this whole back end. So kinda different than my usual flow here. I guess I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I know this is new, but I have to know what it is because it's adorable. Threshold. I guess it's, yeah. They make some cute new stuff these days, I tell you. Is this a salt and pepper shaker set? Unfortunately, it's new. It almost fooled me there. Oh, look, it's another one of these lenticular eye Santa cups. Oh, it's got a chip on it. Dang. Ah, cows. Salt and pepper. Let's see. Oh, dang, it's broken. That was a bummer. I kind of felt like that one was too good to be true. Here is also noteworthy. There's a Joseph's original Native American girl. $25. That's a really fair price. The last one I sold was $48, I believe. They're pretty hard to find. A nun. $16, $17. That's totally fair, but I can't really do anything with this. I know these are new, but they're so fun. Love snails. Ah, look at this Santa planter. $19. No discount. Totally fair though. A little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. Could still probably make about 10 bucks off of it. I'm kind of second guessing leaving this behind for $19. I feel like it's kind of weird too. I just don't want to spend that much on it. Let me stop and just let it go. Let it go. It's not the end of the world. It's just a Santa planter. All right, let's see what else they got. I love this booth. It's kind of different than the stuff I normally look at, but I usually find something like that dress screams Kate, by the way. So it was a little busy in there. I'm not used to that. I'm so spoiled. Usually I have the place all to myself, like I said. Anyway, I ended up spending $22 in there, and I think I'm gonna go down the road to Crossroads. I haven't been there in a really long time, but since that didn't take long, I guess it's worth the trip. It looks pretty busy here too, but I'm gonna give it a chance anyway. Oh, look at this little girl. That's pretty cute. I've seen versions of this before. Never this exact one. $40. Yikes. Lots of Christmas here. I love this light. $39. That's about retail on that. A lot of newer Christmas items. Nothing that's really catching my eye so far. This Fine Eight planter, I've had this a couple times. $9, that's not bad. Just looking for something that excites me a little bit more. The longer I do this, the pickier I get. It's more and more fun to find things you haven't seen before. Well, there's a new booth here that's got a bunch of kitschy little items. Very well displayed. Ooh, Look at these guys. Okay, first of all, that phone is amazing. Love the Christmas tree. But what about the poodles on the chairs? Dang, 28. That's about what I saw those for too. The lighting isn't perfect in here. It's kind of, can't tell how pink it is, but love the toy toaster. And here's one of those Santa lights. Those are fun, $30. It seems a little steep. What is this reindeer? What is this reindeer? Oh my gosh. How freaking sweet is he? $18 is definitely too high for resale, but I'm not mad at that one. And I'm not even sure if I want to investigate this any further. I love the Santa Claus oven mitt. That's really fun. Another little angel here. Oh, how much are you? 16. All right, this is not my booth. I love the little milk glass light bulbs. Those are so cute. Elves. How much are you? 20 bucks. Oh, this is one of my favorite dream pets. The one on the surfboard. It's so fun. $18.50. What is this owl situation happening in here? $15. Is it for the set? I'm kind of confused. Did I miss that? $15 for the set is a lot different than it's Goble too. I doubt it's for the set. It's confusing. I'm gonna leave that behind. Too confusing. Oh, I like the yellow elephants. Pair, $19. Not bad. I've seen these before. The reproduction elves, kind of funny. I bought and sold a couple of these last year. They went quick, but I didn't feel quite right about it, honestly. Oh my gosh. Look at this Christ set. $20 and then 20% if I pay cash. Let me see if I have cash. All right, so I'm triple checking this thing for chips and cracks. I'm totally willing to pay up a little bit for this because I've never seen it before. So $20 and then it's 15%. It's not gonna bring me as much profit as I'd like, but it's pretty freaking epic, so I'm gonna take this. I also can't help but notice this little funky guy. $7, not bad. But I'm most excited about this. They have like such an epic display of salt and pepper shaker sets. I kind of try to avoid cases for the most. Yes, I know the candy cane ones are probably my favorite, but they're a little too high for me to do anything with resale wise. All right, well, let me find a place to put this little snack set down because I gotta check out these are kind of neat, but the salt and pepper shakers is what I was going for. $15, a little too close for me. Ah, look at this flacked cow. How spectacular. It's missing, it's missing one of its petals there. Let's see, $10 and then 20%, so $8. Even though he's missing a couple of his petals, he's pretty spectacular. I kind of can't leave this behind in good faith. Whoa. Whoa, 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 hold on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, stop it. $12. Wow, this is epic. I've never seen this exact one before, and there's no chips or cracks. I'm gonna get that too for sure. But let me go back to what I see the reindeer. Gosh, now I'm kind of all over the place. I'm noticing all kinds of stuff. This is what I was going for. She is spectacular, $10. She has a really unique face. She's missing the umbrella pole, which is kind of strange, but she's got her umbrella. So for $8, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this and check out this nook too. Let me bring some of this stuff up. But also, how am I just now noticing these? 25 for 3, and then 20%. So 20 for 3, that's a really good deal. These are definitely harder to find and sell for pretty decent money. I'm wishing I had cash. I kind of don't feel like running out to an ATM though. What about this? This dresser box is kind of nice. It's kind of heavy. It's chalkware. I like these little milk glass egg cups too. Those are kind of fun. This is the nook I was kind of going for. The little left-in figurines are sweet, but what is this? Oh, it's just a powder box. I'm gonna look up, wait, what is this? Ah, look at this tissue box. How pretty. Is that a little discoloration I see on it though? Yeah, not a big fan of that. I'm gonna look up what my last thing of those poodle glasses sold for. I can't really remember, to be honest. So the last couple I sold for $15 each. It's kind of a steal. I'm also noticing these pink glass salt and pepper shakers. Cool, but not as exciting as the poodles. I think I'm gonna have to hold on to them. I'm not sure. Just kidding, got it. I grabbed it, don't worry everybody. Gosh, I am still really burnt. I feel like I shouldn't even be out. I need a babysitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these and hold on to them. I'm not sure if I'm completely sold yet, but either way, I don't want someone to grab them while I'm in here. And then look at this set here. The Christmas mouse. In our code, $10. That's not bad at all. It's got the matching salt and pepper shaker set too. I really like the planter. Let's see if there's an extra discount. I know this would sell, but I'm not a big fan of the big spots of paint loss on it. So I'm just gonna stick with the glasses and keep going here. Oh my gosh, how spectacular. $3.50. See, now I can already sense that people were like, oh my gosh, the prices here are so crazy. And I know that going into it, but to be honest, I kind of don't mind it because it makes it even more exciting when you do find something. Cute little elf. $35. And it looks like we have another nurse figurine left in. $2. Is that a chip I see though? Yeah. Pretty gnarly chip. I'm gonna put that one back. What's this bag of baby toys? What has she got going on here? That's cute. The price is right, but missing a little extra content for me. Spaghetti Santa, $55. Just kidding. Oh, I looked at that last time. Is that a little Santa knee hugger? It is. It's probably pricey. $15. I don't think that's Santa, actually. That's just a gnome. Oh, look at this. They're definitely very, very, very expensive. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. But they sure do look happy together. So I ended up spending $68 in their total, which brings my total up for the day to $91. I'm gonna hop in the car and keep on going and head down to memory lane.